Get ready for an unforgettable journey where the barnyard meets the bug world. Critter Clash is an exciting and educational adventure that pits farm animals against insects in a playful, action-packed showdown. Perfect for kids who love animals, bugs, and wild imagination, this expedition brings to life the fascinating characteristics of cows, chickens, pigs, and horses as they face off against the buzzing, crawling, and flying world of ants, bees, butterflies, and beetles. Scorpions are among the oldest animals on Earth, having existed for over 400 million years, even before dinosaurs roamed the planet. Scorpions fluoresce under ultraviolet, UV, light, such as from a blacklight. Rabbits belong to the order Lagomorpha, not rodents. They are in the family Leporidae, which includes hares, and are more closely related to pikas than to rodents. Centipedes are carnivorous predators, feeding on insects, spiders, worms, and even small vertebrates. They use their venomous fangs, called forcipules, Horses have exceptional memory and can remember people, places, and experiences for many years. They're known to recognize familiar faces even after long periods of separation. Reindeer are the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. Male antlers are typically larger and are shed after mating season in late autumn, while females keep theirs through the winter. Bees are crucial for pollination, responsible for fertilizing over 75% of the world's flowering plants and about 35% of the crops we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Roosters are more colorful than hens, with long flowing tail feathers and a prominent comb, the red crest on their head, and wattles, the fleshy lobes under their beak. This makes them stand out and helps them attract mates.
Most bears are omnivores, eating plants, fruits, nuts, insects, fish, and small animals. Exceptions include the polar bear, which is mostly carnivorous, and the giant panda, which primarily eats bamboo. Many bears are strong swimmers and climbers.
Honeybees and bumblebees are social insects that live in colonies. Each colony consists of a queen, workers, females, and drones, males. Honeybees are the only insects that produce food, honey, consumed by humans. Camels are herbivores and eat tough desert plants, including thorny shrubs and dry grass. They can even consume salty vegetation that other animals avoid. Camels are known as the ships of the desert. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Unlike insects, which have 6 legs, spiders have 8 legs. This is one of the main characteristics that distinguishes them. Most spiders are nocturnal. Dogs were domesticated around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. They are believed to have evolved from wolves, with early humans selectively breeding them for traits such as companionship, herding, and hunting. Dogs are highly attuned to human emotions. Grasshoppers belong to the Calliphera suborder of insects, which also includes locusts and crickets. They are distinct from crickets due to their shorter antennae and different habits. Grasshoppers are well known for their incredible jumping ability. Bulls are known for their muscular build and can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Some of the largest bulls can weigh even more. Bulls can be quite territorial and aggressive. Butterflies undergo complete metamorphosis, which means they go through 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult butterfly. This transformation process is one of nature's most remarkable. Butterfly wings are often brightly colored thanks to scales on their wings. Sheep were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans, around 10,000 years ago. They were primarily raised for wool, meat, and milk. There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide, varying greatly in size, wool quality, and purpose. Some breeds, like the Merino, are known for their fine wool. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Some species can grow up to 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters, in length. The male European stag beetle, with its long mandibles, is one of the largest beetles in Europe. Zebras are highly social animals and live in groups called herds. The herd is often led by a dominant stallion, male. Female zebras, mares, and their foals form close-knit family groups within the herd. Snakes are legless reptiles. Instead of legs, they use their long, flexible bodies and specialized muscles to move. They rely on a unique form of locomotion called serpentine movement, which helps them slither forward in a wave-like motion. Many snakes, such as pit vipers, cobras, and boas, have special heat-sensitive organs located on their faces, called pit organs. Green iguanas are among the largest lizards in the world. They can grow up to 5 to 6 feet, 1.5 to 1.8 meters in length, including their tail, which can make up around 2/3 of their total body length. Green iguanas are primarily herbivores, feeding on a diet of leaves, flowers, fruit, and vegetation. They are known for their love of leafy greens, such as lettuce, There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide, varying greatly in size, wool quality, and purpose. Some breeds, like the Merino, are known for their fine wool, while others, like the Suffolk, are raised for meat. Sheep are the primary source of wool, which is used to make a wide range of clothing, from sweaters to blankets. A single sheep can produce several pounds of wool per year. Butterflies, and beetles, who will win in strength, speed, teamwork, and survival skills. Kids will learn fun facts about each creature's unique abilities, habitats, and roles in nature while engaging in interactive challenges, storytelling, and creative activities.